do a chariot race. With this, Steve's gonna carry me first, and we're gonna go start here and go down to there and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we went there with just the expectation.
Where did we go?
White Sands National Monument.
Of having fun and exploring the dunes. I wish we would have had sleds with us because that would have been a lot of fun. I did the next best thing I could, which was rolling down it. That hurt so badly, but that's okay, you know? It's fun.
What's a few broken bones and a bruised rib? I had fun.
That's right.
The king of underestimation. That's a small dune. And the dune was like, dune.
It was like, dune. It was quite a workout there, walking through the sand.
The biggest thrill for me was signs as you enter that say, listen for sirens, missile launches can occur.
What is that?
In the brochure, they have like the picture of the end of a missile sticking out of the sand with a disclaimer. If you find this, please don't play with it. Let a ranger know. And all I could think of is like that little gremlin off of Looney Tunes with the hammer. It doesn't work. It's a dud.
Dud.
All the same.
He was testing.
Somebody thought she'd roll down the hill and see if she could find one on the way.
Looks like a desert.
Water. Water.
Oil. Oil. Yeah, a little Spaceball's fun for y'all. Actually, it feels good out here today. It's not a hot day. The sun isn't blaring at us. I don't think I'd really want to come out here in the summer. How about you?
Get an instant tan. All right, so this is called gypsum. It's not really sand.
I think it is sand.
Porous rock.
I think it is sand.
Excuse me while I throw this at Mary.
Let's have a sandball fight.
It's pretty. It's shiny.
Yeah, we haven't got to play in the sand for a while.
No.
So
Should have brought a bucket. We built sand castles.
sand castles. Been an awesome sand castle here.
Yeah, it would.
We'd had to have brought a lot of water though. You know, sled would have been a lot of fun.
I could sit on you and sled down.
No, you cannot sit on me and slide down. No.
Which way are we going? That way, this way?
I think we're gonna go this way. Kind of looks like a marker up there.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want me to go first? Alrighty. I think we would have been taking this, not that we're not taking our stuff seriously here, but a little bit more serious had it been a much, much warmer day. Look at the view. Follow these. Yeah, there's the trail marker up there. Nice trail markers. Oh, this is a tall dune here. Tall dune. Tall dune. My day of rolling down sand dunes is over. Maybe another day. Not today. Yeah, I call this a teeny tiny dune over here. I don't think it's that big. This one here.
Knows reality.
Thanks. Oh my God, it's like a monstrosity.
I understand height relations.
Mm-hmm. Just because you're tall doesn't mean anything. Okay. Yeah. grabbing my knees. Grabbing my knees. That was the tall hill. With this. Oh wait, wait.
No, wait.
Okay.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
4.
Go.
5. All right.
34 miles.
34 miles, not even.
Is that
Maybe
3/4 of
2.
a mile?
Quite a walk today, quite a walk. But right up there is the finish line. I can see it. It's not a mirage. It's not a mirage. All right, what's in front of us?
The van.
Fritz Van Gogh. Looks amazing. Looks like we need more weight up front.
Yeah, well, we'll take care of that in a minute.
Yeah, we will. We're gonna race. This is
Mark.
at most
Ready?
50
Set, go.
yards. I'm gonna win.
No way.
Glad I never wore my good shoes. Yeah, it's like packed in there. Yeesh. A little bit came out. Needless to say, there's a lot of sand.
Well, thanks for watching our White Sands adventure. Make sure to click like and subscribe so you know when we do stupid things like this again.
And until next time, keep it between the lines.
Safe travels.